In this video, I'm gonna show you how to keep your weights from rattling around in the back of your car. What's up, fam? Welcome back to another banger. Hey, if you're like me, you know that I have a mobile gym, meaning I do my workouts right here in the back of my 3rd gen 4Runner. What happens is that I'm very limited on time. So what I do is that throughout the day, I'll park it and I got my set up right here. I go from doing push-ups in the back of my truck right here. That started day 1. And then I've also added recently, if you clicked in and you're watching this video and you have a mobile gym in your car, whether you have weights or you don't have weights, let me know by hitting the like button. This helps out the channel and also lets me know who's rocking with the mobile gym. And then I've also added recently, I got some dumbbells here. But what happens is these dumbbells rattle around sometimes. As much as I got these, my son found these for me that are flat, and they do weigh, these are 15s, they do weigh 15 pounds. What happens if the turn is sharp enough or the brake is hard enough, they will tumble around and roll. And not only do they start getting banged up, sometimes I got sweet cheeks back here and it sounds nasty. It sounds like the tumbling is like, oh my gosh, what's going on back there? It sounds like 2 alligators wrestling in the trunk. And sometimes, of course, back here in the back, this is the VIP section where Sweet Cheeks goes. Last thing I want is these tumbling around when she's back here. So I was trying to figure out, how do I do it? Do I put it in a bag? Do I shove them in a corner? Do I put them underneath the mat? Do I put them in a box? I don't want to put in another toolbox back here. Now I got to keep the toolbox from running around. I was like, what can I do to keep these strapped down? I found the solution. It's beasted it up, and I wanted to show you before I even unpackaged it because it fell on my lap. Here, check it out. I'm gonna screenshot this shit right here. This is what you need to go get. It's a hook and hang Rapid. It's a hook and hang storage strap, 18 inches by Rapid Storage. Basically, it's a hook, it has a swivel, and then it has this is the best thing, it has this hook and hook and loop, Velcro, whatever. I'm barely opening these up for the first time. I wanted to open them. I wanted to keep it in its package. I was waiting for you, basically, so let's get it. All right, so here's the deal. The way I thought I would do it is I set up the weights here, open up the Velcro, get it through the strap. If you got a mobile gym in your car, comment the number 15 for 15-pound dumbbells in the comments, and also let me know what size dumbbells you carry around in your car and what other type of equipment do you carry around in your mobile gym. Get it through the hook, bam, so that keeps it safe there. Get the weight under. This is the cool part right here, the fact that it has this ring. Get them nice and close. This is the part that sold me, the fact that you could actually put some pressure on it, pressure it down, and then hit the Velcro. So now they're nice and tight and secure, and of course you could adjust them a little bit more. Now they're not gonna swing around. Now you could turn left, right. They're not going nowhere because they kind of hold each other together. So now you got the weights that are nice hooked up to that. This is some hella Velcro here. It ain't going nowhere. If anything, if the turn is hard enough, it's gonna go this way. If the turn is hard enough, it'll go back this way. But to turn both of them without them being able to roll, because now they're just one bigger unit, this is it. This is where it's at right here. The only thing you got to make sure is you got to have a hook. Most cars have some type of hook in the back of the trunk. Just find it or make it happen or bolt one in, install one in. I'm sure you could figure that out, but this is the strap where it's at right here. Screenshot this. Go get yourself one if you got a mobile gym like me. Hey, hope this helps keep your weights from rattling around in your trunk or in the back of your truck. If it does, if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that it hooked somebody up. I'm vibing with somebody. I'm connecting with somebody. If you got a suggestion or you want to make a comment or a question that you may have, drop that in the comments. Other than that, we're done. I'll see you tomorrow on the next one. Let's go.